Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the notification area, swipe down, and here you will find screen recorder option. Just click it, and now here three options will appear. By default it is set to media. Media means internal audio will be recorded, only internal audio. Okay, that is phone audio will be recorded, external audio will not be recorded. Okay, if you select first one, no audio will be recorded along with your screen. Okay, if you select third one, both internal audio and external audio will be recorded. Okay, so as per your wish you keep. Here I keep in media, that is internal audio. Okay, and click on start recording. Your screen recording will be started within 3 seconds. Yes, it has been started. Now whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be recorded in an order. I go to some settings in my phone, and here I go to notifications and something like this. Then I take a screenshot from Google Play Store. I take a screenshot. So whatever I do, that will be recorded in an order. Okay, it will be recorded and stored as MP4 file, video file. Okay, if you want to stop screen recording, you have to click on this button, or if you want to pause the screen recording, just you have to click here and screen recording will be paused. Okay, if you again click here, screen recording will be again started. Okay, if you want to stop completely screen recording, just click on this button and screen recording will be stopped, and video will be saved, and it will be shown in notification area, and click on it, and this is the recorder file. It is playing now. So in this way you can easily do screen recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.